Look it up! We're in the center of the volcano.
Oh, we're in the center of a volcano.
Whoa. Cool.
So we're in the center of some mountain.
Look it up! We're in the center of the volcano.
Oh, we're in the center of a volcano.
Whoa. Cool. Isabella. Isabella, come walk behind me.
We're on breach. Stop. Oh, wait. Stay between the wall and be careful. So cool.
That's really wicked. Look at that thing.
Going down. Oh, it just keeps going and going, man. Camera first, and then slide to the side of camera video. Yeah, video. Then you hit the button, the red button. So going down, down in the center. Mountain. Oh, volcano.